In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, a man devotes a part of his entertainment center to assist children in his community.
Entertainment venue turned homework center, at least a section of it. This in response to the fallout of formal learning in the community of Maryland District in St. Andrew. The venue once hosted weddings, stage shows, setups, and more. Then business took a hit due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But instead of shutting down, owner of the center, George Dickens, extended his facility to create a space for learning, targeting students between the ages of 3 and 16 years old.
Last year we gave away a couple of tablets, but that wasn't enough, so we come up with the idea to establish a homework center. So that is why I really give up a part of my premises free of cost to the community to put this center.
Some students from the community have not been to school since classes went online. Now they see hope and are ready to learn.
I come here to learn more and to help. If I don't understand something in school, I come here and ask for assistance.
It has made me have a better experience in learning and a better education.
With the help of dedicated partners and sponsors, the center is equipped with 13 desktop computers, printer access, and free internet service. Along with Mr. Dickens and his granddaughter, a teacher from the community assists the students.
These children here now, they are just learning to use the computers because none of them couldn't turn nor go on it, click on anything they don't know anything about, so they're just learning to use it now.
I went online and I find Join My Quiz, where they can do educational quiz from different topics and subjects, and they can play all together or they can play separately with other kids online their age, depending on the subject that they choose.
The subjects range from math, English, social studies, and science. And after competing against each other, the children enjoy games before going home to allow other students to use the facility. As for Mr. Dickens, he's hoping to do more to reach all students in and around the community.
Executive bodies now getting together and see what we're going to do for the future. And I know we're not just going to make it stop at this. We're going to be continuing in whatever ways we can help the kids, especially to further their education.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kalisha Williams.